What are you doing on that Christmas tree? Leo? Huh? Guys, he's tripping. He knows that I'm taking a video, guys. That he's kind a bit. He didn't do anything because he knows that I'm taking a video and he's afraid that her poster parents got him. So what are you doing there? Are you a gift? Wow, what a nice gift. Get out. Get out of the place. Stop annoying that Christmas tree. Please. Are you okay, Leo? Hey, Leo. What are you up to? What do you want? A ball? You gotta get out of the place. Get out now. Come on. You're hard-headed, huh? You don't like? What are you doing now? Come on, get out of that. Are you a gift? Don't destroy it. No, it's not a food. Come out. Come out now, baby. Come. Come. I will give you food. Come here, Leo. Come.